Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robotic vacuum cleaners. In the red corner, we have the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max, and in the blue corner, we have the roborock Q7 Max Plus. Let's dive into the features and find out which one comes out on top. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max comes in at a budget-friendly $249, making it an affordable option for those looking to invest in a robotic vacuum cleaner. On the other hand, the roborock Q7 Max Plus has a higher price tag of $869, positioning it as a premium choice for those willing to splurge a bit more. So, if you're on a tight budget, the eufy RoboVac might be the way to go. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max boasts incredible suction power for deep cleaning. With its BoostIQ technology, it automatically increases the suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra strength is needed. Additionally, it operates quietly and can vacuum for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors. Impressive, right? On the other hand, the roborock Q7 Max Plus takes cleaning performance to the next level. With its powerful 4,200 pascals suction, it easily lifts debris, pet hair, and even deep cleans carpets by automatically increasing suction when detected. It also offers a twin cleaning feature, allowing you to vacuum and mop simultaneously. Plus, with the PreciSense litter navigation, it creates precise maps of your home for smarter and more efficient cleaning. The Q7 Max Plus definitely brings a lot to the table. Moving on to features, both robotic vacuum cleaners have some impressive offerings. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max comes equipped with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, an infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing technology to prevent falls. It also automatically recharges, ensuring it's always ready to clean. With the RoboVac 11S Max, you'll have peace of mind knowing it's built to handle the challenges of your home. Meanwhile, the roborock Q7 Max Plus introduces the Auto Empty Dock Pure, which automatically empties the robot after cleaning, saving you the hassle of frequent manual emptying. Its combined dustbin and water tank allow for longer cleaning sessions without interruption. The Q7 Max Plus also features an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles, and a supersized battery for up to 180 minutes of runtime. These additional features make the Q7 Max Plus a high-tech cleaning companion. Overall, the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is praised for its higher suction power and good cleaning ability at a reasonable price. It effectively picks up dirt and dust on various types of flooring. Some improvements are suggested, such as an interlock on the dustbin and the ability to select different power levels during manual cleaning. On the other hand, the roborock Q7 Max Plus is highly recommended for its advanced features, exceptional cleaning performance, and laser mapping capabilities. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the roborock Q7 Max Plus in terms of price, cleaning performance, and features. Both robotic vacuum cleaners have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your budget and specific cleaning needs. If you're looking for an affordable option with great cleaning power, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max might be the perfect choice. However, if you're willing to invest in a premium model that offers advanced features and exceptional cleaning performance, the roborock Q7 Max Plus won't disappoint. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which product you'd choose and why. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.